Hi, in this video I will show you how to fix Outlook metered network warning problem. So every time you open your Outlook and you see this metered network warning, I will show you how you can easily remove this metered network warning from your Outlook. First of all, close your Outlook app completely and then just open your computer settings app and go to network and internet. So currently I'm using Ethernet, so I'm clicking on Ethernet. If you're using Wi-Fi, just click on Wi-Fi. And then if you're using Wi-Fi, then just click on the connected Wi-Fi network, which one you are currently using. So right now I'm using this Ethernet 2, so I'm just clicking on this network. And under this network, here we can see metered connection. Some apps might work differently to reduce data usage when you are connected to this network. So all you have to do is just disable metered connection from here and then relaunch your Outlook on your computer. And now on, you won't see the metered network warning in your Outlook. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.